Okay, we're doing problem number one, and I'm using Sage as a computer to compute the numbers. Resetting, which is going to give me a clean sheet of paper, so to speak. I'm going to define a variable t, and then I'm going to assign s of t. It's a function, and instead of using 4.9, I'm going to say 49 divided by 10. Star t squared. I'm going to use a difference quotient. I'm going to call it m slope, m of t. And m of t is equal to s of t minus s of 8 divided by t minus 8. I'm going to display m of t. And it looks like, kind of what I expected. I'm going to try to simplify it, though. I'm going to write that down, simplify. Not that you have to. Well, it didn't do much there. I'm going to try to factor it. These are all tricks that you want to try on your own. And what do I get? I get the 49 over 10t plus 196 over 5. Now, I realize some people are saying, is that the same thing as this thing over here? I'll show this to you. Let's do Boolean, B-O-O-L. And I'm going to say, is it the same thing? I'm going to use the underscore, and the underscore means the output from the prior input. And I want to see if this is the same thing as 4.9 star t plus 8. It's either going to be yes or no. It's true. It's the same thing. I'm going to clear the screen now. All right, remember, m of t is a function, s of t is a function. I'm going to start to evaluate the slope function at certain values close to 8. So for example, if you said, oh, I wonder what m8 is, it would tell me that, but I don't want to do it. I want to do something close to 8. I'm going to do 8.1. And what do I get? I get 78.89. You get the idea, right? Let me do s of, I'm not s, but m of 8.01. What am I doing? I'm getting close to 8 from the right side of it. What is it going to be? 78.449. You get the idea. Let me do even closer. Let me do m of, let's see, 8.001. What do I get? 78.404. You get the idea. It goes on and on and on. I want to come from the other side of 8, and I'm going to say I want to come from the left of it, of 8. I'm going to say about 7.9. And again, there's nothing magic about these numbers we're choosing. What do I get? 77.91. Let me do even closer, 7.99. I'm getting close to 8 from the left side. I think you get the idea. M of, let's see, 7, and I'll put 3 9s down now. Get even closer. You need to look at the sequence of numbers, by the way, and just like make a stab at it. And kind of looking at it, I'm going to say around 78.4, looking at it. Now, someone can say, I wonder if I tried m of 8, what number would you get? Put that down for you. And you notice I get this thing about there's an error somewhere, all right? If someone says, I wonder where the error was, let me just go through that with you. And I'm going to display m of t and tell you why 8 is such a troublesome number. Division by 0. However, if we were to simplify that, I'm going to do that now. Well, you know what? I'm going to say m of t is the simplified form of that. So I'm going to simplify it. And let's just do that now. I think we said factor, right? Remember that? Let me display m of t now. And we get this over here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to evaluate it at 8 now. What do we get? 392 over 5. I'm going to approximate that. underscore, that's the output from our prior input. I'm using an abbreviation for numerical approximation, it's the n of that, all right? What do I get? 78.4. So you know what? Things are leading into a direction where we're seeing the number 78.4 as a concluding number, all right? Thank you.